Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2012 Honda Shadow Phantom. This is the blacked out edition, matte finish, only 18,000 miles on this liquid cooled VTwin fuel injected shaft drive cruiser, 25-inch seat height. It's a great bike for those of you with shorter inseam. Come on by, make your Phantom Cruiser dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.